Google has ruined one of my favorite smart home devices. This guy right here, the Smart Home Hub. Take a look at that screen. Can you even see the picture on it right there? It is so dim and dark, I can barely even see anything on there. I don't know why Google thought it would be a good idea to make changes without letting me know. I've been suffering with this problem for a few months now, and even my parents too. They always say, you know, it's so dark, I can't even see the pictures that are coming up on the screen. Now you can go in there and you can manually set the brightness on there, but it leaves it at that brightness all the time. I want to leave mine on ambient mode, meaning that it's going to tell how bright it is in the room and adjust the image accordingly. And it used to be perfect. I had no problems at all. But like I said, a couple months ago, they made a change to make the screen a lot darker. And for a while, I wasn't able to figure it out. But I will say I did finally jump into the settings, found out how to fix it, and I want to show you how to do that in today's video. So stay tuned. So I don't know if you've noticed this problem with your Nest Hub too. Maybe they're slowly phasing this out to everybody. If you haven't seen it yet, you might run into it in the future. But when I would come into my nice bright office, the screen looked good. When I would sit down in my chair, the shadow that the chair and myself cast on this thing during the daytime when I was working would really darken the image when I had this in ambient mode. Now, if you're not familiar, ambient mode is that it takes into consideration the light in the room and it will adjust the brightness of the screen accordingly. So say it's nighttime and it's dark in the room, it'll really dim that down. When it's nice and bright in the room, it'll really brighten that image up. And that's something that I want to have with my devices. So I found that you can actually go into the Google Home app and adjust this, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, so we're going to load up our Google Home app. I'm gonna tap on that one right in the middle, and then let's write down here, I've got my Office Nest Hub. So let's tap on there. We're gonna click on the gear icon up in the top corner, and then we're gonna click on Display. We're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we have got this Ambient EQ Auto Brightness Offsetting feature right here, and this is where you're going to make your adjustments. So for me, I noticed that to get it back to normal, I don't want to go full brightness, but pretty close to full brightness. That is where I'm setting mine to. And then as far as the color matching, I don't like that it adjusts for color matching, meaning that when it gets a little darker out, it will actually adjust the color temperature of the screen, meaning it'll make it a little bit more yellow when it's darker. I don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch my color matching to never. Don't want it to color match, and then we have got our ambient IQ, set all the way to here. I'm gonna click the back arrow to back out and save it. Now I have noticed some issues sometimes when I try to make this change, and that is that it doesn't save. So let's close here, back out of it all the way. I'm gonna wait a second, and then I wanna go back in and see if that worked. I'm gonna go in, we're gonna go to Display, and yeah, the same issue that I was having before. So it's just gonna spin here and actually not do anything. There was a problem connecting to my screen. What I found is that I'm gonna have to go ahead and click on OK, back out of this. I'm gonna force close the app. So let's force close the app here. I'm gonna wait a few seconds. We're gonna go back in and make the adjustment again. I hate that this has to be an issue, but this is what you might run into. I've even had to do it where I actually unplug my hub device, close the app, and then try it all again. And even sometimes I've had to wait up to 5 minutes for the settings to take effect. Okay, so here we are back a few minutes later. I wanted to check to make sure my settings are saved. I'm gonna go ahead and click back on the Nest Hub. We're gonna click on that gear icon, go back into Display, and then just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Make sure perfect those savings are set. So you may have to go through it a couple times here like I did. Hopefully that is not the case for you. It looks much brighter and I am happier with the outcome. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. If you have any questions about this device, leave them in the comments below. I will do my best to answer those. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.